And then in the final lecture, lecture 4, we'll look at the aftermath. We'll talk about the recession that followed the crisis, the policy response of the Fed, including monetary policy, the broader response in terms of changes in financial regulation, and a little bit of a forward-looking discussion about how this experience will change how central banks operate and how the Federal Reserve will operate going forward. So this is our topic today, is origins and missions of the Federal Reserve. So let's talk in general about what a central bank is. If you've had some background in economics, you know that a central bank is not a regular bank, it's a government agency, and it stands at the center of the monetary and financial system of a country. Central banks are very important institutions. They have helped to guide the development of modern financial systems, modern monetary systems, and they play a major role in economic policy. Now,